The beak is in. What you're witnessing is a bloodthirsty process, silent, relentless, and happening right beneath your skin. Look closer. That beak isn't just a needle, it's a pump. In and out, it draws your blood, filling its tiny body with every pulse. And here's the terrifying part. They inject you with an anesthetic, so you don't even feel it happening. You're completely unaware as this tiny predator feasts on your blood. Let's speed the video up by 10x. Through its transparent shell, you're seeing the life force of this parasite, your blood, being sucked in, drop by drop. It starts small, pale, almost harmless. But that's about to change. With each passing second, this bedbug is transforming before your eyes, feeding off you to grow and survive. These creatures need to feed around every 10 days before they can molt and grow to the next stage of their life cycle. They're not just feeding, they're preparing for their next evolution. As the feeding intensifies, watch how quickly it fills. This bedbug, now a bloated, dark red creature, doubling in size in mere moments. It's a grotesque transformation, but one that's necessary for them to continue their relentless existence. Notice how the bug stopped feeding after 9 minutes and 28 seconds, fully engorged and ready to retreat. This isn't a quick bite, it's a prolonged, calculated process. And now, here it is, bloated, its shell stretched tight, full of dark red blood. This isn't the pale, nearly invisible creature that started feeding. It's now a blood-filled parasite, ready to hide away and digest its meal. But the damage is done. This is the cycle. Each bedbug can lay hundreds of eggs, turning a small problem into a full-blown infestation in no time. This is why you can't ignore bedbugs. You must stop them before they take another bite. Protect what's yours, your home, your family, your peace of mind. Bedbug Barrier is here to help you take control. Our eco-friendly solutions stop bedbugs in their tracks, giving you peace of mind. Don't wait. Contact us at Bedbug Barrier and end your bedbug problem today.